Why do you want me to keep calling you? I'm not your little bitch.
Oh man, that online race against
Fuck
Three
you.
Paws
Fuck
X3.
Fuck
Oh
you.
my god, this is a GTA, it's not that easy. Oh my
Fuck
god, stop!
Fuck
Ah! God damn it. Yes.
Just no, we don't.
God, this car sucks.
Oh!
Oh god, the dumpster.
Dumpsters are fun.
Do I have nitrous? I do. Whew. Oh, there's a truck up there.
That's a truck.
Holy crap. That truck just got wiped out by me.
That's Bruce. All right, car. Oh!
It's an
What
online.
fucking shit.
Oh, I hate this race. That's all I know.
Get out of the way. Made it.
God, dude. Looks like I
Pole.
might
Oh,
lose
fuck you,
this
pole.
race.
Another pole. Oh, that pole didn't happen.
This car drifts too easy.
Car.
Oh god, that's
Holy shit!
what was that?
What did you just do?
I didn't do anything. Oh, it's a tree. Looks like I'm gonna lose.
You don't know that. Embrace your inner unicorn powers.
Inner unicorn powers. Oh, car, don't hit me.
Don't know. I know what he's doing. You know, fuck, grammar. Fuck you, grammar.
Okay.
You know that I know that we know what that is.
But we know. Oh my god.
What are you doing back there?
Holy. I had
Sucking dick and
nitrous
getting
around
paid?
the corner and it like. I had nitrous around the corner and it didn't go so
You're not-
well.
So,
I know,
really,
it's alright.
the short story is you're a dumbass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking
Watch
nitrous!
Sponsored by religion.
Check out Three Paws Gaming on YouTube. That's capital 3paw and then lowercase s and then all capital gaming.
I don't even have a video up. You can't just shout me out when I don't have a video.
Well, he doesn't have videos, but you can, you know.
We don't get any freaking minority points from doing
Well, what are minority points? I have no idea what that is. What do you want to do? Open road or slow or random?
randomness.
Really, you have to wait till the voting ends? Ugh. Well, I lost that race.
What's up, bitch cheese?
Hey! My car is
Oh!
like smoking. Oh my god, steam pipe.
Fuck. Okay, got it.
Oh, it's another freaking motorcycle one?
What's that one? You know what that means?
What?
Don't get fucked up.
Oh, that's not.
Ooh. Oh,
Tried
Hey,
to
come
spin me
back.
out. You tried to spin me out back there, didn't you?
no? What?
You lied on sack of shit.
I don't know what you're talking about. That's a train, so you know.
Yeah, it's a train.
I didn't think train was in your vocabulary, so.
Oh. Oh, there's a shortcut right there. Oh, crap. There's a trainer. Oh! Dude, that just lagged on my screen. That so just lagged on my screen. Dude, you guys saw that, right? You guys saw that? That lagged so bad. Oh my god. Oh, zero. Oh! Hi, Trish. Oh, I don't like the railroad. I don't like being on the railroad.
It's okay. Do I need to hold your hand?
Yeah, kinda.
Fuck you. Epicness! That's a fall.
Oh!
Oh, you best.
Why are there so many sharp turns?
Why are there so many fucking potatoes in my pants? What?
What?
What? One, two.
No, don't start singing that shit.
Jeepers, creepers.
No. Oh! What? Was that you?
Yeah?
You ass. No. Oh, blocker! Oh! Oh my god.
What just happened?
I pulled up a blocker accidentally in front of myself and I had to turn out of the way.
Why do you always win motorcycle race that?
I don't know, but I'm taking the jump.
Ball.
Wheelie into the finish. As I jump over this thing, wheeling, amazing gameplay here.
Oh, that's a car! Oh. Really? Tried to block me, really?
Yeah. Amazing gameplay here.
Hey, chill!
Okay, good. Okay, that was online race number 1 of Watch Dogs. More coming soon. Comrade, subscribe. Go check out his channel when he gets videos up. He should start posting tomorrow, I think he said. So, comrade, subscribe. See you guys.